Noombuzz, no! Noombuzz, it's so over, Noombuzz. I know I look happy. Why am I looking happy right now of all times? Are you fucking serious? Y'all, I don't know if you could see that shit. Look at that! Why does it look like that? Oh, hell. Oh, God. Guys. I'm about to go into the hole, aren't I? Oh, it disappeared. Never mind. Well, guess we're not going. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. God damn it.
You think this one's gonna be good?
Oh, my eyes look scary.
Oh my god, you just jump scared. My eyes look scary too.
Now you guys get to be scared too. Yay.
Okay.
This is the demon inside of me. Yeah. Has anybody been in the holes before? What is it like being in a hole? Like, I always joke about going and jumping in holes, but I've never actually experienced that before in my life, if I'm gonna be honest. What do you mean, well, and question depends on the hole. What kind of holes are you into? What kind of holes are you going in? What do you mean by that?
I don't think they're going in many.
Petting me on the head is not gonna make me any less scared. In fact, I want to jump. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm
Dude,
sick.
You look terrifying.
I know. You guys scared yet?
I just got recentered.
Are you scared?
Nothing is real, so you're getting scared by nothing, pussy.
I fucking hate her, man. Fucking hate her. I love when Rain is affectionate towards me.
Always.
Do it with me. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, meow, meow, meow.
What now?
I miss her. Oh my god, your tits move too. Boing, 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 boing. I'm scared as shit. Let's Rain.
Bitch.
I'm gonna start saying that to you because when I get scared I get cranky. But just know I don't mean anything I say, and I'm just saying that to say that, and not because okay. She's just looking at my face. She's just she don't give a fuck.
Face this time.
She don't give a fuck, bro.
You could never upset me.
I know.
I can just hold on to your tail, and we'll never be separated.
Guys, are you scared too? Okay, that was a really bad pun.
Guys.
I'm like, guys, are you scared too? They just.
Oh my. Oh my.
Are you guys scared? Are you scared?
Oh my. Chat? Are you seeing this?
Selfie! You could see how much I'm shaking just from how I hold this shit, but like...
Oh
my god, that looks so bad on my fucking stream. Oh my god, that's so insane. Okay.
I just wanna miss your ribbon moves.
Bro, this looks Brad, it looks so bad from my stream perspective. It looks so bad. Oh my god.
What does?
When you...
Oh. When I go inside?
No, when you were grabbing my tail.
Oh. I was doing worse things than that.
Okay.
Can I go back? Sorry. Let's go play the game.
Hey, buzz it down, hey! Okay. Okay.
All the leaves are brown and the sky
Rain, what's behind you? Oh, fuck shit.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Rain! Rain, I'm gonna throw my fucking view up! Rain! Ah! Fuck.
Oh!
Ah!
Oh my god. Oh my god. It was all just a dream. Right?
I've never hated women more in my life, bro. I've never hated
What
women
did I
more.
do?
You made me get on this goddamn map! Ugh.
This is so fucked up. This is so fucked up.
If I don't make it out of here, at least we know that I had a shining personality that brought us through the light to the other side.
Oh, thank you.
It was my boobs. Not you.
Oh. That's great, thank you.
For good measures and good luck, you can also hold mine.
This is lovely.
Thank you. So, you motion sick yet? Oh my god, my tits are out.
Nope.
What's up? Ooh.